Hey guys, what's up? It's me, Wayne. Welcome to my kitchen, and today we will be making some very special treats. I just wanted to give a shout out to Squarespace for sponsoring this video. You can follow their link to make a great website. But let's get going. So today we're going to be making a special by one of my best friends in the world, Diego Peixoto, straight from Italy. And it only has 3 ingredients, really easy to do. So first we've got some ham. And I'm just using some castle wood, pretty simple, straightforward. Yellow banana, second thing here. You don't need to get too fancy with this, you don't need a plantain or anything. And some eggs, farm fresh in my case, but you can use any white eggs you have from the grocery store. It doesn't really matter as long as they peel. Alright, so let's get prepping here. All we need to do first is unpack our ham, pretty simple like that. Peel our banana and we need to boil and peel our eggs. Yes, we're going to do a really simple layout the way I've seen Diego do 1,000 times. You can do it any way you like, but looks pretty good. So next I'm going to pull out some Tabasco here. Diego usually uses Frank's Red Hot sauce on his eggs from time to time, but I don't have any on hand, so Tabasco will do in a pinch. And I'm also going to pull out a little bit of Cholula, a good Mexican spice. Again, these aren't authentic to Diego's methods, but they'll work in a pinch. But you might be asking, hey, I'm a busy person, I need to take this on the go. Well, that's where our special comes in today. Bam. We're going to make a really great smoothie with these ingredients. And since we've already got them prepped, it's really easy. Just a simple blender, nothing too fancy. I just got 2 blades here. We're just going to dump it all in there. Yeah, dump it in nice and good. And now we're going to add a little moisture to the mix, a little Tabasco, and get it nice and wet in there. And hey, why not? Why about a little Cholula? Can't get it too moist. So we're going to blend this up, pulse it up real nice till we get a nice creamy consistency. And this is what we're really looking for in this dish, is creaminess. Above all else, you got the banana and egg, and it should pour out just nice and smooth, just like that. Mind the camera bump there, no problem. Get as much of that golden goodness as you can, and let's try it out. Bon appetit. I thought this was really pretty good, to be honest. So good luck to you at home, and enjoy that second sip.